ask, and just like little children, when mother and father, they say they want to get this toy, then always they tell you then, oh, I want this toy maybe 1,000 times, 100 times speak, then you have to buy for them. Just like that, we have to do that to God. We have to do that to our Father. Then He has to help you. He just listening. Okay, you speak one time, then don't forget. Then He doesn't hearing, but you speak 1,000 times. So Father talking about 1,000 times, 10,000 hours. Asking desperately, then God will open His ears. Okay, I will do for you. So that's so God, Father said, this our unification family is God's showdown family in human history. He wants to clear up. So, but our people, family is the Heavenly Parents and our true Fathers, the showdown people. So He's the last one. So He has to do it. That when we speak, He has to do it. So Heavenly Parents and our true Father will say, we have to be diligently ask. So then God will open up and He will do. So we have to do that. So we.